Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you turn on best of list notifications on your OpenTable app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here, and it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go down, click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on communications. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and you go down. So then you click here on MI notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you can merge your best of list, clicking this sign. Then like you see this color show for us here. That's all you have to do. Just go back to another list and you click on save here. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.